Hello everyone! So today's story is another story by the author that we've been reading stories from all week. Can anybody remember her name? Yeah, it's Julia Donaldson. And Julia wrote this book with Emily Gravett. And this book is called Cave Baby. And it's a lovely story about the adventures of a baby and a big woolly mammoth. And as with all of Julia Donaldson's books, she loves to bring in lots of rhyming words. So try and listen out for some rhyming words if you can hear them. And let's get started and see what happens to Cave Baby on his adventure. Cave Baby's lucky. He lives inside a cave with his mum, who's good at painting, and his dad, who's very brave, and a saber-toothed tiger, a hyena and a hare, and a grey woolly mammoth, and a big brown bear. Cave Baby's lonely. Nobody will play. Dad is busy being brave. Mum says, keep away. Everything is boring. Then suddenly it's not. For in a corner of the cave, he finds a brush and pot. Spots on the hyena, stripes on the hare, stars on the tiger, squiggles on the bear, zigzags on the mammoth. This is lots of fun. But Mum and Dad are furious and say, look what he's done. Cave Mum fetches water. She mutters and she wipes. No more spots and squiggles. No more stars and stripes. Cave Dad wags his finger. If you don't take care, a mammoth's going to throw you to the big brown bear. Cave Baby's restless. He's feeling wide awake. A long grey trunk comes sneaking in, all wiggly like a snake. Where are you taking me? Where? Tell me where. Are you going to throw me to the big brown bear? What's going to happen? Stripes in the forest. A tiger's lurking there. Don't throw me to the tiger or the big brown bear. Crashing in the bushes, a hare is leaping there. Maybe he's escaping from the big brown bear. A cackle in the bracken, a hyena's laughing there. Has he heard a joke about the big brown hare? A cave in the hillside. I wonder who lives there. I hope it's not. Don't let it be a big brown bear. What do you think it is, boys and girls? Find out. The cave is bright with moonlight. The walls are plain and bare. Snoring in the shadows. Someone's sleeping. Cave Baby's worried. He doesn't understand until the woolly mammoth pops a paintbrush in his hand. A five-legged tiger, a long curly hair, horns on a hyena, a beard on a bear, a mustache on a mammoth. This is lots of fun. Then the mammoth wakes his family and says, look what he's done. Uh-oh, are they going to be cross like Cave Baby's mummy and daddy? And they rollick and they frolic, they trumpet and they crash, they wade into the water, they roll and romp and splash. They shake the baby by the hand, then lift their trunks and wave, as the mammoth picks him up again and takes him to his cave. Cave Baby's happy. He's fast asleep in bed. He dreams about a tiger with stripes of pink and red, and a grass-green hyena, and a sky blue hare, and a moon yellow mammoth, and a small brown bear. Now, boys and girls, I hope you really enjoyed that one. I really liked reading it. It sounded so much fun, all the things that Cave Baby was doing. Do you think your mummy and daddy would get very cross if you started painting on the walls? I think so. Better off to paint where they can tell you that you paint, isn't it? But Cave Baby had lots of fun on all of his adventures with the big woolly mammoth. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you all next